You type it out like this, and then it gives you a whole outline. So here it is. So there's one e-commerce store. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be talking about ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you ways in which you can make money using it. Now, for those who don't know what ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot that answers questions, writes essays, codes, it gives suggestions, and it can do a lot more. It has gone viral since it was released by OpenAI back in November 2022. Now, we're going to get right into it. I'm going to show you a few examples of how you can use it. Once you open it, it's going to look like this, and there are some examples of how you can use it here. So we're going to go ahead and just try something. What are 10 best ways to make money online as a complete beginner? Alright, so as you can see here, there's online surveys, freelancing, selling on Amazon, dropshipping. So these are all great suggestions. So we're going to go ahead. Let's say we pick one. We're going to pick freelancing. So here I typed out, how can I start making money as a freelancer? And this. I just typed out how to start making money as a freelancer, and it's actually given me a whole rundown of how to go about it. There are a few examples that I typed out already that I'm just going to show you. Alright, so here I typed out, can you explain World War II to a 10-year-old? And it's simplified it so that a 10-year-old can actually understand. Write a song like Tupac wrote it, and it actually wrote a song and made it seem as if Tupac actually wrote it. What caused the 2008 financial crisis? Now, after this last example, I'm going to show you actually how you can start making money using it. Alright, so we're going to ask ChatGPT, what are the 10 best books on being successful? So as you can see here, there's Think and Grow Rich, and there's a whole lot other ones. Now we're going to pick one book, and let's say we choose this book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Alright, so I just typed out, can you summarize the 7 habits of highly effective people? So it just gives me a whole summary of what the book is talking about. What are the 10 best ideas from the book? So we're talking about this book. I'm just going to continue and say, what are the top 10 best ideas from the book? And it's going to give me the top 10 best ideas from that same book. Now, if you want to start a new chat, you don't type it out here. So if you want to start a new topic, just click on new chat and start a whole new conversation. Alright guys, now you're wondering how you can actually make money using it. So there are several ways that you can actually make money using it. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you one of the ways in which you can actually start making money using it. So alright, so this is Fiverr. It's a freelancing website where people can sell articles, you can sell web designs, you can sell logos, you can edit videos for people. There are different other things, and there are a lot more websites that you can actually freelance, but I'm just going to use this website as an example. So on this website, people actually write blogs and articles. They sell blogs and articles. So some sell articles and blogs for $35, for $5, some for $100, $75, $50. So what happens here is, if a person wants a blog or an article, they'll go here and then they will tell person, say, I want an article on this. They'll give you a topic, and then you write a blog or an article on that. So I'm going to show you a way in which you can ask ChatGPT or make ChatGPT write an article or a blog, and you don't even have to do anything, and then you can actually sell it here for whichever amount that you want to sell it for. Okay, so I'm going to give you this example. Let's say they pay you money here to write a blog or an article on the 10 businesses to start online. So you're going to go to ChatGPT, like any other person who just type out write an article on 10 best ways to start online. So when you type it out like this, it's just going to give you a basic answer. So I'm going to show you how you need to type it out so that you can get the best possible answer and actually get it to write an article for you. And you don't even have to do anything, you just need to copy and paste it. This is how you actually type it. So we're going to go headline. you're going to go headline, 10 businesses to start online. So this is our headline, and then underneath just type out, write an outline for a blog article. You type it out like this, and then it gives you a whole outline. So here is, so there's one e-commerce, so these are 10 businesses to start online. So this is the outline. It gives you e-commerce store, and then it actually gives you the points. Online course, it gives you the points, and then so there's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all the way until 10. There's online coaching, and then there's here, this is the 10th one. There's graphic design, and then also gives you the conclusion. Right now that we've got our outline, so we're going to start writing the actual article now. So I'm just going to show you about maybe 3 examples. Alright guys, so now that we've got our outline, we're going to go step by step and write the article. So I'm going to type out the question, so that we're going to go with the introduction, and then we've got the first business, the second business, just like that. Alright, so we're going to type out headline, 10 businesses to start online, and the next one is going to be structure, and we're going to copy these points. So we're just going to type out, write an introduction to a blog article. We're going to go next. Alright guys, now that we've got our introduction ready, we're just going to go ahead and open Microsoft Word. So I'm just going to copy this headline. We're just going to paste it over here. So now we've got our headline, 10 businesses to start online. We're just going to go to the next line. So go introduction. Now we're going to go into ChatGPT. So I'm just going to copy this whole thing. Got our introduction over here. Just going to copy this over here. Alright, now the next thing is the first business, which is e-commerce store. So we're just going to go ahead and just copy this e-commerce store, and we're just going to go over here and type, just like before, headline, right now. So we're just going to go to the next line and just type, ask ChatGPT to just write a blog section. Right now, once you type out that, it's going to type out a whole blog section just on e-commerce with this structure that we've provided for it. So as you can see here, it's typed out the advantages of starting an e-commerce and everything. Just copy the whole thing, and we're going to go to Word. So just going to go ahead and just copy it over here. We're going to get the rest of it since we didn't get the whole thing. So I'm just going to go down here. Alright, now so this is the headline, right? So we're just going to go ahead and just copy this and go back to Word and just paste it over here as the headline. Oh, we don't need to add this, so we can just remove these. Remove these as well. Alright, now so we've got a whole article here on e-commerce. The first part is done, so we're just going to go back to ChatGPT and then get the rest of it. Alright, now so we've done the introduction, we've done the e-commerce store. Now the next thing is the online course. So we're just going to copy this whole thing. So now again, we're just going to ask it to write a blog section. So the next thing that we're going to do is just copy this whole thing. Alright, now after copying and pasting the whole blog section, we're just going to get the headline. The headline is online course. So just going to copy it, go back to Word, and just copy it or paste it over here. This is number 3. So the only thing that you need to do is just make sure that you follow the structure of how to input the information so that you can get the best possible output. So follow the structure and you can actually write blogs, articles, and everything that you need to do just using the AI. And you don't need to write a single thing, just copy and paste, and you can actually sell it on the website. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, type it out in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe if you're new and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.